Hey guys, gamerules. So welcome to another new episode of Minecraft tutorials. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about command blocks, and I'm going to be showing you how to obtain a command block, how to use them, the basic commands, advanced commands, arguments, all that kind of stuff for newbies or rookies who are new to Minecraft, or those of you who have trouble with command blocks and how they work. So first of all, I'm going to start out by saying the command block is a new block item that's been added into the game. You can give each command block, like you can't give one command block a bunch of commands. You can only give it one command, and when you give it a redstone signal, for example, if I power this command block like that, it's going to issue that certain command. So I'm going to get into the commands later. First I want to talk about a few things. The command block is uncraftable, which means you cannot obtain this in survival mode, and yeah, so you can't find it or obtain it in survival mode. It's not even in the creative menu. I mean, even if you just search command block, you're gonna get nothing. So the only way to get a command block is to be in a world that has cheats enables that is basically these commands. So what you want to do is you want to type in give, then space, and your name. I just hit the tab key, that automatically types in my name, and the command block ID is 137. So when you type that, as you can see, now I have two command blocks. So yeah, I'm just gonna take away one because I don't need that. And yeah, so that's basically how you get a command block. So the item ID again is 137. Next we're going to talk about powering. So you can power a command block the same way you power any block. Just treat it like it was any other block, like a sandstone block, a wood block, or a dirt block. Redstone torches, redstone wire, anything works. You can power it with a button, lever, anything. So yeah, it just behaves like a normal block. So next, if you right click on a command block after placing it on the ground, you're going to get this screen up here, and it says console command here. In this small block box here, you can type in whatever command you like. So yeah, that's just a deadly command. And yeah, one last thing, if you're in survival mode or adventure mode, you can't edit command block. So I'm going to type in some random stuff, and if I hit done, it says you must be an opt player in creative mode. So I can't really change the command. So you have to be in creative mode to do that. Next we're going to take a look at these three things here. Oops, sorry. At P, at R, and at A. What are those things? So they're basically targets. So basically at P, if you put an at P in a certain command, the command block is actually going to target the nearest player. So it's going to scan all the players, it's going to find the nearest one, it's going to apply the command specifically to this guy. At R, however, is kind of different. It targets a random player, any random player. This player is picked from almost, I don't know, and so it's a random command. At A means all the players, every single player on the server will have this command. It will be issued to every single one of them. So I'm going to show you how to use those in commands right now. So here's one of the most basic commands, the say command. So the say command basically works like this. It's /say, and then what happens is, okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the targeting keys. So you want to first type in the command you want. For example, if it's a say command, you got to type in that first. Then you want to space, and then type in one of these three, whichever one you like. I always type in at P. It doesn't matter. You can type in at A or at P. It won't make a difference if you're the only one on the server. So do that. And next, basically what the say command is, if I hit this button right here, the command block is going to say gamerules hi. So by putting in at P, it's going to search for the nearest player, and that's going to be me. And the at P command is basically means it's going to say my name. So if I remove the at P command, it's still going to work. hi. It's still gonna say hi to me. Check it out, hi. But oops, sorry. So if you want to make it say somebody's name, like this, let's see, say, oops, sorry, say. So it's gonna call, so this command, what it's gonna do, it's gonna call the nearest player stupid. So if I hit the button, it's gonna say Dogonrocks is stupid command block. Okay, so that's the say command. It basically says stuff. That's you get what I'm saying. Next is the tell command, which is basically kind of different. It says whispers to you, hi. So what the say command does is sorry, not the say command. The tell command can actually, you can use it to target a specific player. Guys, wait a minute. My cat is screaming. Where is my cat? Oh, it's right here. God damn. Shit. Okay. So the tell command, you can target a specific player. Notice that I have @p here, but it didn't say my name. It just said whispers to you, hi, which means it's specifically targeting me and nobody else on the server. So to do that, you just type in /tell space @p for the nearest player, or you can type in a for all the players, and then type in what you want to say. So that's pretty basic, self-explanatory. You guys get that. Yeah. Next up, we have the me command. And the me command is basically, it doesn't stand for me, it stands for message. So it sends a message to all the players in the entire server. Every single player can see that message. So it's basically /me, then the message you want. So go hi. Oh yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna type something like that. And yeah, it's gonna say go whatever. Next is the give command. So when you're using this command, you have to use @p or @a, or otherwise it doesn't know who to give it to. So using the give command, you can give specific blocks, specific items to a player. So give @p1. Basically, when you translate that, it means give the nearest player block ID 1. So it's this format. Just quickly remember that. So if I hit this button, I'm gonna get a piece of stone, and of course the item ID number for stone is 1. There you go. Next is the clear button. So it's /clear and @p. You have to use that, or otherwise it doesn't know whose inventory to clear. So because it's @p, it's gonna clear the nearest player, that's me. And what this basically does is it's gonna clear my inventory. It's completely gone, but thank goodness for too many items. Okay. So the next command is really special. It's a teleportation command. Now this actually revolutionized map making. So to use this command, you just type in /tp for teleport, and then you have to do the target key, which is basically @p, @a, or anything like that. Then the coordinates. So the coordinates have to specifically be the x, y, and z. So let me just take that down again. So this is the x coordinate, 101. This is the y coordinate, and this is the z coordinate. And yeah, if I hit the button, I'm gonna get teleported right back here. Why didn't I? Okay, whatever. So yeah, that's how the teleport command works. Remember, I'm just roughly going through these. The next one is the game mode commands, which can basically change a player's game mode. So this works a bit different. You gotta first type in which game mode you want to change it to, and then you have to target. So it's like this: game mode 0, and then you set in the target. So that's @p. Now I'm in survival mode. Okay. Now I'm in adventure mode. Now adventure mode is actually game mode 2. If you haven't heard about it, then go check out the wiki page. And game mode 1, of course, everybody knows that. It's creator mode. Yay. Okay. So yeah, that's some of the basic commands. Now we're moving on to some more commands. So this is basically the day-night commands. So this command says /time set space day. So what that's gonna do, if I hit that command, if I hit the button, it's gonna change the time to day. So there's the sun, it's day again. If I hit it again, the sun's gonna jump back. So some people use this technique to make it to make some maps eternal day and night, so it never becomes night, it never becomes day, yeah, something like that. So this one actually makes it night. I wouldn't call it night though, even though it says night, it looks like it's evening. Yeah, but yeah, it's good. So you don't have to input slash time set night. You can actually use a number. So slash time set 12,000. Now I don't know what 12,000 is. Let's just hit it and see. 12,000. Okay, 12,000 is also evening. It's somewhat close to night. So you can just enter in any number you like, not any number, a specific time number, and it'll work. And the next one is called toggle downfall. Now I'm going to turn on the rain. Turn on the rain to show you what this does. Come on, rain, 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 rain. Is it gonna rain? Okay. Okay, it doesn't have to rain. The sky is dark enough. So what this one does, it actually toggles the downfall. Toggle downfall means the weather. So if you're in a snow biome, it's snowing. If you're on any other biome, it's gonna be raining. So this, using this command, you can basically turn the rain on and off. So if I hit this button, the sky should clear up and we should see the sun. Yeah, there you go. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, so it toggles the downfall. Next one is one of my other favorites, the spawn point command. So it's basically slash spawn point, then the target, and then your XYZ coordinates. So yeah, that. So when you hit the button, it says set Dogamrox's spawn point to, yeah, whatever spawn point I set it to. So if I die, I'm gonna respawn right back here. How cool is that? Okay, yeah, I'm afraid of picking back all my items because they all come back. Yeah, there you go. Awesome. Yeah, so that's the spawn point command. So you can only use this command once in a map because it's not a teleport command, it's not a give command, it's just a spawn point command. It sets your spawn point, that's it. And even if you press the button 100 more times, it's just gonna do the same thing, set your spawn point there. Moving on. Okay, so that's about all of these commands, all the basic commands done. Now let's go to the, what do you call these, game rules. Okay, so the game rules were actually a new feature added in Minecraft. So these game rules allow you to set a simple rule. It's like a rule for the entire map. So if I don't want trees to catch on fire, I can do a game rule that's relevant to that. And wherever I go in the map, trees will not catch on fire. So here's a cool game rule. This one is called keep inventory. Just check it out. And here's how you do a game rule. You just type in slash game rule in simple letters. And then when you're typing in keep inventory, remember the K has to be simple, but the I is gonna be, well, basically capital. So the K simple, I capital. It's kind of I don't know why they made it like that, but that's the way it is. And remember, after you write this, you have to write whether you want it to be true or false, because this is not a toggle thing. So if it's true, so basically what this does is if I die, so I'm gonna kill myself, all my experience and all my items will still remain with me when I respawn. So that's really cool. So you can toggle it off to don't keep inventory. So that's slash game rule keep inventory and false. So this time if I die, all my items, I lose all my items. Why? Okay. Anyway, moving on.